Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to This and That Outdoors. Got a little treat for you today. We're going to show you a little bit of our garden and a little bit of Kathy's dad's garden. So figured you get tired of seeing the same old stuff, so we figured we'd jump in and then show you a little bit of something different. Starting to get into the winter months, so we are
don't have much going on.
Don't have much going on yet. Yeah, that's about right. So we're trying to put things together that we might find we think you might find interesting, and so we'll go with that.
Yeah. All right. So we are going to start. I'm at my dad's house, and I'm going to show you. He's got a little bit of a garden going on, a little bit of a fall, winter garden. I'm going to show you what you can do if you don't have much land. All you got to do is put seeds in something. So anyway, he's got some collards here, and looking pretty good. He even got some roses over here too. Real pretty roses. Hopefully they'll live because they're supposed to be a freeze tonight. Here we've got the cherry tomatoes. I came here yesterday and I picked them all because since we're going to freeze, we don't want them to get frozen. And then we've got some more collards. Here you see all the raised beds here. My dad built those, and all you gotta do is put dirt in it and put seeds in it. And he's got some bell peppers growing, and then some more collards. And then we've got another pepper at the very end. Yeah, see? And then over here, he also built these three here. You know, they're not big. It's enough to hold a few plants. Here, we've got some bell peppers, and I picked that one because I don't want it to freeze. This one here, I think I'm going to just leave it alone. Hopefully it'll be okay. But yeah, I mean, they're small, but it's getting the job done. And over here, got a huge cherry tomato bush. And it's got a bunch of blooms all over it. Not sure they're going to survive tonight, but I also picked the cherry tomatoes off of here. I left some of the smaller ones. And then he also built this here. So, but anyway, he's got like just little buckets and stuff he's just put seeds in. So that's all you have to do. You don't have to have a lot of land to grow some things. So just take buckets or whatever and put some seeds in them and see what it does. So now we'll go to our garden.
And now we're back to our garden, and we'll show you what we got going on here.
I guess we'll start with the green stalks. Yeah. I put some more seeds in it because they weren't growing. Now they're starting to grow.
Yeah.
So
get some.
These are lettuces. You're still, see, that's a piece of grass. It's grass. But and more flowers. Yep, the hostas.
Yeah.
Yep. But where was that? Another weed.
Another flower. Oh no, there's a weed.
That's
okay.
A weed.
So you got weeds in?
I was thinking it might be parsley or something in there.
Okay.
But yeah. Anyway, we got weeds going on in our green stalks.
How'd they get up that high? I think the birds must have brought them up that high.
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Anyway.
So I've got a little bit of romaine in here, and some other lettuces. And over here, we've got some bok choy, and you can tell it's really going well with that. Gray did put some fertilizer on it because it's starting to turn kind of yellow.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's not getting enough water because it's been really dry.
Yeah.
Or if it needs a little bit of fertilizer. Like right now it's dry, but we're supposed to get like 80% chance of rain on Tuesday.
But
so
we did water with some just pretty much straight nitrogen. Just put put a few handfuls in a bucket and just let it dissolve and then poured it in the top of the green stalk and let it come in that way.
Looks like my bok choy is going to seed. Why? Because it was too warm the last few weeks. It's starting to go to seed.
Right.
I'm going to pull that thing.
Pull that out, and that way maybe
so
stop it.
Stop.
Okay.
I guess I need to check the rest of them too. But over here, I had some spinach, and as you can see, I've got pests eating it.
Yeah.
So Greg put some neem oil on it.
Yeah.
Strawberries, yeah, they're doing whatever they're going to do.
We're
no
just
idea.
Letting them grow and
Yeah.
do their thing now, and whether we end up keeping them or not, I don't know.
No, I don't know.
It's looking less and less likely.
It does.
So
I tried everything to keep them growing, and it just
they're just
nah.
slowly dying off one
Yep.
by one.
Yep. Because I mean, I had a whole thing of them.
Yeah.
I had to put them over
Yep.
there.
Yep. In fact, you had one full one and a
Yep.
partial one.
Yeah.
But anyway.
However, the collards now,
Yeah.
we have put some neem oil on that because some pests were starting to mess with it as well.
Yeah. And it's not widespread,
No.
but we just had some random ones that had some damage to them.
Look
I
how
did-
big the leaves are.
I did take off some of the leaves that were damaged, and then sprayed the neem oil on them. Did the same thing with the cabbage, and I'll show you that a little bit more
And
in
we
a
did
minute.
not plant as many collards as we did last year.
No, but it's still going to be a right good,
It is.
right good
Yep.
crop.
I
So
think so.
yeah,
But the holy basil, I've been letting it go to seed. The bees have been loving it with the seeds, but I don't see any on them now. But there was earlier in the day there was a good many on them.
yeah, they seem to be more early morning bees than late
Yeah.
day bees.
And
I guess because it gets cool.
Yep, still got plenty of oregano. I need to, I guess, dry some.
Yeah, yeah, that would be a good
Let
idea.
that go. Yep. And how's this one doing? Oh, he's gone again.
Yeah, this one, the chamomile.
It was starting to come back, and now it's gone again.
Yep.
More holy basil, again, letting it all go to seed.
Yep.
And also chives, we got some of that going on. They'll probably start dying back with the cold.
Probably.
Yeah. Here we got dill. As you can see, it's kind of turning yellow.
The
I
cold
think-
is.
Well, the cold, and look how dry it is.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just so dry.
Yeah. Well, we've had visitors over the last couple of
Yeah.
weeks. My daughter and son-in-law and our grandson, and so we've been distracted. We haven't been watering quite as well as we should. What you got?
It's cinnamon basil.
Okay.
I was just looking at the flower.
Yeah,
On
that's pretty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our cherry tomatoes, Greg picked them, a good many of them,
Yeah.
because we had a freeze.
Yeah, we had a freeze.
Couple
Got down
nights
to like
ago.
30 degrees.
Yeah.
2 nights in a row. Picked off all we could, or all that were full sized anyway. And then we also I covered them up with some old sheets and
Yeah.
stuff just to try to prevent direct frost damage.
And so far,
And-
they
and
made it through.
It helps if,
Yeah.
as long as you're in that 30-degree range, and it's just you're trying to keep the frost off it. When it gets down colder than that, and it actually
It will.
freezes the plants, then it's not a whole lot you can do.
Yeah.
Even covering them doesn't
We're
help.
probably thinking they're only going to last a couple more weeks.
Yeah, probably so.
So, and then of course, still got lemon balm, which I'm surprised.
Yeah,
And
still going.
the pink honeysuckle.
Yeah.
Now, I did pick off one of the bell peppers that was here, and we've already eaten it. And there's a couple of little ones around.
Yeah,
Little.
still looks pretty good. It's
But I
just
mean,
small.
yeah. But at least the freeze didn't get it.
Hey, took all year long, but we finally have gotten some peppers off.
And then this is parsley, Italian parsley.
And
I probably need to,
we haven't used any of that since
No, we
we planted
haven't.
it.
No,
but
I
it looks
haven't.
good-ish.
yeah. And then more holy basil back here. And these turnips are trying to come back.
I have about given up on turnips for the year. We actually bought some.
Yeah,
from the
we went to another
from the
farm.
stand the other day,
Yeah.
and because we just can't seem to grow them this year. And what was funny is we struggled with turnips this year. They grow turnips real well. They're struggling with their collards and cabbage, and our collards and cabbage are doing really well.
Yep. And then I guess this is broccoli. Is that what you
broccoli.
Plant? And it's not doing nothing.
Well,
broccoli. Oh, here, wait. There's
we're starting to get a little heading going on.
Yeah, we really didn't get anything off of it last year,
no.
So I'm not sure we'll get anything this year.
And over there is Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, I mean, it's so dry.
Yeah.
So dry.
Yeah.
But then, you know, I don't want all the rain on Tuesday. I just want a little bit of rain. I don't want inches of rain.
We might need inches.
Kind of coming around. It doesn't like the cold either, so I'm surprised it's still here. But then over here, the banana tree is still looking good. Can't believe these two banana trees were maybe 2 feet tall when I bought them.
Yeah.
And look, there's still one that put the
got a bud
blooms
on it. Got more up here.
Yep, more there.
And it's December.
Yeah.
Well, last day of November.
Yeah. And over here, we put some neem oil on the cabbages also. Looks like they're trying to head up a little bit.
Yeah, they're starting to head up.
Yeah.
They're looking really healthy.
Yeah, the leaves look really good.
And kind of like with the collards, I did cut off a lot of the bad leaves, but this is an example of some of the stuff that we got eaten.
Yeah.
This is some old damage, so it's kind of grown out. That's why the holes look so big. It's not that the holes were started out that big. But I need to go in and kind of trim up all those the yellow leaves. And
then we got the purple cabbage over here. And then got the volunteer tomatoes. Got some tomatoes on that one over there.
Some right here.
There's a couple of them right here.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's some there. And some more on that same bush, but there's some bigger ones over here.
And the carrots.
Here. Right in here.
Oh yeah, how did we miss that?
I don't know. And those were, I'm trying to remember what those were. Brandywines. That's it.
And
those were Brandywine tomatoes.
Got some carrots. I'm not sure they're going to do anything because I'm sure the ground is so dry that it's made the soil just hard.
Yeah. And it's not as hard as it could be. But
yeah.
I'm not really feeling any.
We got a couple of them down here. So, who says you can't grow tomatoes in November and December? Sometimes in Charleston you can.
And this bush, we had a freeze a couple of weeks ago, and it actually burnt this bush up really bad. I had to trim off some of the limbs, and you still see it's still got some bad spots on it. But the tomatoes still growing.
Yeah.
And I think every bush has got tomatoes on it now. There's one here on that bush. So
hopefully we can keep the freeze away and let.
Well, if as long as we can keep it
inside,
as long as the Lord don't let it get below 30, we can save them. It gets below 30, and we're pretty much done.
And then of course I got holy basil over here, letting me go to seed, and then this one's going to seed too.
Yep.
That's what happens when the winter or fall stuff gets around warm temperatures. They want to all go to seed.
Yep.
That's all right. We already had some salads and stuff off of them.
Yeah.
So.
Plus we cooked some as well.
Yeah, cooked some. We got some more spinach over here.
No, that's Swiss chard.
Oh, the Swiss chard. That's right. The spinach. Yeah, never mind.
Yep.
Never mind. He planted this. I didn't plant it, so that's why I can never remember. And I don't have my cheat sheet out here.
But you see in the cabbage, that's a pretty good example. It's starting to head up.
Yeah.
Got more over here that are starting to do it. So yeah, it's starting to head up pretty well. And this is just about time.
Yep. And of course, my mess of flowers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this coming spring. I'm not sure what I'm going to plant in there.
Let them come back again.
Yeah. I can't believe we got some marigolds growing. Those are volunteers. Hey, Miss Lucky. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Who's being silly? Are you being silly? Like, yeah, you just disturbed my rest.
Her little cameos.
Oh my. Alrighty. Well, I think that's all we have.
Yeah, that's all I got.
Yep.
But
hey, but we got a lot of collards and cabbage.
That's right. So now you get to go to work.
Yeah, next weekend. But I am going back to work this week.
Yeah.
Yep.
So
anyway, well, thanks for watching, you guys, and I guess we'll see you on the next one.
All right. Bye.